Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
If your car won't start, first check the battery. A dead battery is a common cause. Ensure the battery terminals are clean and tightly connected. If the battery seems fine, try jump starting it. If it still won't start, the issue could be with the starter motor or fuel system. Use a car diagnostic tool if available, or listen for a clicking noise when turning the key, which can indicate a starter issue. If you're unfamiliar with car repair, it's best to seek professional help.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.